Good day and welcome to Bite Size. I believe as a leader, you and I should have values. And my understanding is the values in my life is God first, then me, my wife, my children, then my work. Many times we live unbalanced lives and that lead to broken relationships. But today as a leader, I want to remind you, everything that you do, keep your values intact. Everything that you do, filter it through your values. God first, then take care of yourself. Take care of your wife, your husband. Make sure your kids are fine. And then be the best leader at work you can be. Bless you.